Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Creatine HMB. First, understand that Creatine HMB is a blend designed to boost your athletic performance and aid in muscle repair. This combination helps you push harder in the gym and recover more efficiently. It's important to follow the recommended guidelines to maximize its benefits and ensure your safety. Let's dive into the specifics of how to incorporate this supplement into your routine effectively. For those looking to quickly saturate their muscles, an optional loading phase can be beneficial. During this period, you would typically consume 20 grams of creatine daily. It's best to divide this into 4 separate 5-gram servings throughout the day. This phase usually lasts for about 5 to 7 days, helping to rapidly increase your muscle creatine stores. Remember, this step is not strictly necessary, but can accelerate initial results. Once the loading phase is complete, or if you choose to skip it, you'll move to a daily maintenance dose. This typically involves taking 3 to 5 grams of Creatine HMB once per day. Consistency is key here to keep your muscle creatine stores elevated. You can easily mix your dose with water, juice, or your preferred protein shake. Taking it around your workout, either before or after, is often recommended for best absorption. To truly maximize the benefits of Creatine HMB, remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day. Drinking ample water is crucial for creatine absorption and overall health. Also, ensure you're pairing your supplement intake with a balanced, nutritious diet and a consistent exercise regimen. These elements work synergistically to support your fitness goals. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, make sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.